Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. I'm getting ready to talk about this hair. This is the Wiggins hair. Now, this hair has cost me, wait a minute. Before I get started talking about this hair, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. This hair, this hair has brought me hell. Literally hell. So, first it started off, I jacked my finger up. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's healing. My finger is messed up. I'm gonna insert some clips to show you. I didn't go to work this morning because I'm actually getting ready to go to urgent care. As you see, I don't know if you can see this, but my finger, oh shit, almost hit that snow pile. My finger is jacked up. It is so swollen, I can't even bend it. So, I'm going to go to urgent care and see what they could do, or if I could get some antibiotics or something, because, oh my God, my finger hurts so bad. Every time I bump it, it hurts. Exactly. My finger was swollen super big. I had to go to urgent care because when I was making the wig, I poked my finger with the needle, a needle that I bought from the beauty supply store, which was the wrong needle. But so I guess whatever they put on this hair caused my finger to get infected and swell up and cost me a little money getting onto the hair because my battery is almost dead. I got this hair in a 14-inch closure, 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch. Now, as I was making the wig, I put in the 20-inch. Then I thought I was putting in the 18-inch, but I was actually putting in the 16-inch. So therefore, I have 20-inch at the bottom, 16 in the middle, and then 18 at the top, and then, like I said, the 14-inch closure. It didn't come out. It's not bad. The hair isn't bad. I had to cut it because at the bottom it just wasn't looking full. So I cut it a little bit. You can't really tell. I don't think you could tell. That's about all I did. I kind of tweezed the closure a little bit. This hair most definitely could be just like after you wash it and you don't have to put any products in it or nothing. You really don't, but I did. I put the John Frieda Frizz Ease in it, which is the like a curl holder to stop the frizz, which I didn't get any frizz. And then I also put in this Mila, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it, which is a curl mousse. Now this product, once it dry, it makes the hair, I think both of these actually do that. It kind of holds the curl. It holds the curl. So once it dry, you most definitely will get more like what I got going on. This more soft, not frizzy, but just, you know, pretty soft curls. And also this is the loose curl pattern. One of my favorite patterns. I love me a nice loose curl. But the hair is really, really nice. I haven't been getting any like tangles or anything. I mean, maybe a little snags. I haven't been getting any shedding. This hair hasn't been shedding. So far, so good. But I'm still learning when it comes to making wigs, because this is probably like this is my third time actually making a full wig. There we go. This is my third time making a full wig. So I usually do like U parts. So like on the side, as you see, it ain't coming down for enough, but it don't matter because the hair is long. And then once the cap kind of stretch a little bit, you know, it'll go down. So yeah. Also, I do have a wig grip on, and I don't have any combs in it, which I was happy about that. Usually when I make a wig, I have to put combs in it. I have to do all these things to make the wig fit because it never actually fit right. But this time I use my mannequin head, the canvas head, and only thing I really have to work on is adjusting where to actually sit the cap at and how far to pull it down and everything. If y'all have any tips, leave it down at the bottom, you know, because like I said, I'm still learning. You know, I'm still learning how to do these wigs and put in closure. I think the next thing I'm going to do is a frontal. I've never, ever done a frontal, so I already know it's going to be a challenge. So Wiggins hair is a thumb up so far, but I'm not actually done with this wig yet. I really want to put some color in it. I actually bought the stuff already, but I just haven't done it yet. I really wanted to come in and show y'all exactly what the hair looks like, the curl pattern, and you know, just come in and just tell you this some nice cheap hair, but because of all the stuff I went through, the urgent care, the visit, I had to call off work. I was off work for 3 days. I'm looking at my battery. I was off work for 3 days, so this wig cost me money. I could have just went on and bought some raw hair. I missed 3 days of work, plus the urgent care visit, plus the medicine that I had to buy. Crazy stuff. I got this hair from Wiggins. It's really affordable. I think I got 3 bundles and the closure for like $150 or something like that. This hair is very affordable, and I already know it's not gonna last that long, but I wanted some cheap hair because I don't really want to wear my raw hair all the time. And I noticed with my raw hair, I'm always straightening it, and I don't really want to put that much heat in it, so I decided to get some cheaper hair. Like I said, this was only $150. It's nice hair so far. Only thing I've done to it is just cold washed it and just used these 2 products in it plus some serum, which I really didn't have to do. I mean, the hair is pretty good, and this is the curl pattern. It's supposed to be a loose curl. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I should. It's supposed to be a loose curl. Nice hair. It's you know, some nice hair for the price. You know, quite naturally, you pay $150 for some hair, it ain't gonna last super long. So I'm thinking this hair might last maybe from 6 months to a year. You know, if I just co-wash it, don't use a lot of shampoo, then yes, I most definitely probably could keep this hair for a year. But I'm loving this hair. I got a mirror behind the camera. Well, yeah, looks really pretty. But I'm gonna see what it do once I put that color in it, because you know, most of the time when you color weave, it changes everything. It's cute so far. Like I said, this is my favorite curl pattern. This loose curl. Not bad for $150. Not bad at all. And then I ain't finna turn around and do all that shake stuff that most people do. I don't get why they do that, but I'm not finna be doing all that. As you see, the hair moves. It's not stiff. As far as the shine, to me, this is supposed to be Peruvian hair, I believe. It's supposed to be Peruvian hair. So the shine, it isn't like really shiny. It's more of a low luster. As you can see, it doesn't have like a high shine. Yeah, this hair is nice. It's nice. I'll give it to him. This was worth the money. Hopefully. Yeah, I like what it's giving me. So leave some comments at the bottom. Help me out, y'all. Tell me what I should do. Give me some tips on the caps. I actually used one of those little net caps with the adjustable straps in the back. That's the type of cap I used. That's the type of cap I always use. So maybe I'm using the wrong cap. I don't know. Help me out. Leave that at the bottom. What else can I say about this hair? And I just used that got to be glued for the front to hold it down. And I got my wig grip on as well. But other than that, it's a go for me. It's Wiggins hair a go. Like I said, we're just gonna see what it looks like once I color it. See if it can hold some color. If it'll change the curl pattern, we're gonna see. That more than likely is gonna be the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.